Hasn't Africa paid enough that we are forced to take them in when they watched our brothers drown in the past decades? These people are different from us. They value power and gain. They will corrupt our children with homosexuality. They will marry our women, dilute our blood, and take over our countries. We must keep them out. The only good thing about this declaration is that the African Union allocated them certain spaces. That's right. Keep them in those ghettos. Contain the contamination. That's the only thing the white man understands. Separation. What's different from them versus us? White versus black? Inferiores versus superiores? Yes, keep them out. But we must be very keen, or these people will divide this country into a new appetite.